Those of you are probably wondering why you see all these videos that I'm putting them out. I'm just doing them because I'm curious about doing this stuff, and I think it's fun. So if you're on my Facebook or whatever, don't want to see them, unfriend me, whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of this. Right, little fella? We're at FYI in the mall, and I'm just looking at some of these. Of course, you know, their newest release. But just to hold this in my hand brings back the memories. Wow. Oh yeah. Man, ain't that something? That was it, man. That's all I needed. That is too cool. Ugh. Then the album that broke all the boundaries. Too cool, man. Too cool. Then over here. And behind this, Fast Times at Ridgemont High. Vans. Sneakers. Jeff Spicoli. Dude, buds. Got some buds. What else? Oh man, what's this? The Force Awakens. Original motion picture soundtrack. What else we got here? You got Rush. Oh boy, here, what's this? I remember having this. The originals. Now look at that, $44. Forget that one. Thriller. A beautiful meatball. A beautiful meatball. Well, this was the first album I ever got to pick out. AC/DC, Highway to Hell. My mom actually made me get it. Too much, man. Too much. There you go. Two iconic albums right there. That's pretty awesome. This is great. The I Am Groot Chia Pet. Come on, people. Really?
Oh my goodness.
If you like the smell of a cabin, that is an awesome candle.
And this one smells like pineapple. This one smells like pineapple. This is the grossest one in the world.
Too cool. If you're a Star Wars nut, I can't bring myself to buy that stuff, but it is cool. What are you doing, man? What do you think, bud? No swimming. One of my favorite stores, Country Treasures. I got a lot of cool, nostalgic looking furniture in here. I like this piece over here. And it's only $11.95.99. Hey, we're not going in there. All right, go, go.
I know you wouldn't do that on purpose.
Are you happy?
Yeah, cool.
Next time, we're going in there. All right? It's a good place to eat. And just when you're almost home, it looks like an accident in the road.
Yeah. Just like somebody just crashed.
That's right, it looks like somebody just crashed. Well,
Did I see any lightning bugs?
you are seeing lightning bugs. Look at them all.
Oh,
There's a lot.
you can see them everywhere.
They are everywhere, buddy. Aren't they cool?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
There.
See if we can get by this, or I'm going to have to find another way home. See you.